Hey BROCHIKAS, it is Vlogmas 24, which is kind of weird because that would be Christmas Eve for y'all, but it's not Christmas Eve yet. So I may put, it may get a little funky for the last couple of vlogs, but anyways, don't forget to let me know in the comments. If you didn't on the last video, let me know if you want me to continue vlogging until New Year's so that I can do that, because we only have a couple more days until Christmas and it's crazy. So right now I'm going to start my day by putting these on. I mean, I already started my day, like I showered and did my hair and everything. I do have work later, so I just did my hair and got that out of the way. By the way, I'm wearing my bright pink bralette that I got from Walmart, and it's super comfy. It's super stretchy, so I could have gotten an extra large, but I'm glad I got the 2XL just for pure comfort. Like, it really feels like I'm wearing nothing, and that's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, we're gonna put on these Salon Perfect Custom Eyes Individual Flare lashes, and this glue it stays on for, I want to say, about like 2 weeks. Custom lashes last 2 to 4 weeks. So yeah, the only thing I will say about these, if you guys want to try them, is don't freak out and like want to rip them out of your eyes before they're ready, because you're gonna be really upset and you're gonna rip out all your lashes. Like, you have to be able to commit to this and realize you're gonna have it on for almost a month, and it is what it is. So if you're not okay with committing to that, then don't put these on. It does come with a remover, but I just feel like those things don't work. So just know it will be on there for about a month. It's basically gonna be, I feel like your real eyelashes, when I learned in cosmetology school, they said your real eyelashes only have like a 3-week like shelf life or something, and then they fall out on their own. Just like our hair, we lose strands of hair every single day. It's natural, it's normal, it's the natural progression. And these will basically just come out when your eyelash that it's attached to is ready to come out. So it's not like it falls off your eyelash, it just leaves with your eyelash. So if you try to remove it too soon, it's not gonna be good, girl. So just be careful, okay? I'm okay with dealing with this, and what I've always done is, like, if it starts to look piecey and like I'm missing eyelashes and it looks ugly or whatever, what I'll do is either just buy some more and, you know, put it in the spots it's needing it, or I will put strip lashes over it. What I'm gonna start with is the shorts, and it comes with this needle nose tweezers. You gotta use these needle nose because these are so tiny. And so you got 1 row of short, 2 rows of medium, and 1 row of long. Now, what I like to do is go back and forth, because I want to have the even amount on each eye. Because if you do all one eye, what if you use too many and you don't have the exact same for the other eye? It's gonna look really funky. So I like to go back and forth, and I like to start with the short. These are basically just little flare individual lashes with a little tiny ball at the end, and that little ball is what you're going to dip into the glue. Not too much. A little goes a long way here, because if you have too much glue, it's gonna be super crusty and hard, and you're gonna be able to feel it and you're not gonna like it. So you guys aren't gonna be able to like see this. My front facing camera does not like to focus, and it just drives me insane. I wish I could use the other side because it's better, but I have to see myself and I use my phone. I also don't like to go too far into the corner, because then it's gonna bother you. So try to like start right in the middle, and you're gonna get it as close to your lid without putting it on your skin. You're gonna put it on the eyelash. And I like to hold mine in place while it dries, so it doesn't dry sideways, because sometimes that happens. Like, I've done this a lot. I hope you guys can see, kind of. And if me doing this is not helpful at all to you guys, there's tons of people on YouTube who have made tutorials on doing the DIY. Just look up DIY lash extension and you'll find somebody doing it that can maybe explain it to you better than me, or have a better, sorry, there was something in my nose right there. Ugh. Explain it to you better than me, or like have a better camera and so you can see it better. So I've got one lash on there. And now I'm gonna go and do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna try to get it into the same place. It's always hard to do the other eye. Also, do not curl your lashes before you do this, because it's gonna be hard to like get down on sitting them in the right spot if you curl your lashes. Try not to like look up abruptly and look around with your eyelids, because you wanna let it set for a minute. Because they're so delicate, they can move like very easily. That's why I look like I got lazy eyes right now, because I'm just trying to be calm with it. And our lashes don't come out, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but our lashes don't come out in a straight line. They come out kind of wonky. If you really like study your eyelid and look at it, you got lashes here, 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 here. And so that's why some of the lashes here are gonna sit differently than some of the ones here. Like this one is sitting differently because I got a lash that was a little bit higher up on my lash line. But it's okay. They're sisters, they're not twins. All right, I think I am satisfied now, you guys. I'm actually really happy with the way that they look. So they're not like super baboom black caterpillar lashes, spider legs, right? But they are subtle, but you can see them. Like you can see my eyes look awake, they look flirty. Like I'm actually really, really happy with this. They're both not perfect, you know, like they're definitely sisters, not twins, like I said, like that's for sure. But if you just realize that they're never going to be perfect, you'll be okay. But like, I know I can be a perfectionist with these things, and it makes me want to just keep going and going and going and adding more, but then it's going to be bad. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. And just for reference, so you guys can like kind of see how much I used this many shorts, this many mediums, and just a couple long. So I have a good amount of long, good amount of medium, and only a tiny bit of short, but that's okay. I think I can probably make a whole other set with this, which is awesome, because this was like, what, $7? So you know what? I got the effect that I want. This is just very natural and cutesy. Let me know what you guys think. Like, you know, it's not the most perfect thing ever, but I really, really like it. I put long, just one cluster of long in the middle, so it gives that real like flirty look. I feel like when you have a long piece in the center going up, it gives that little flirtiness. And I put a long here, and then I just did some more mediums, and I put another medium in the inner corner, but like not too close, just like really next to the other one I put in the inner corner. I put a medium right next to it, so it's very like flirty. And also another tip I wanted to say, I think I forgot to say earlier, is don't put them too close to the edge either. Like literally at the end, there's like 6 lashes, or there's like a cluster of lashes over here on my lash line I didn't even touch. Don't do it, because they're very, I don't know, mine at least, are very scraggly and weird towards the end. And if you attach it to the end, it's gonna end up hanging too low, and you're not gonna like it. I've done it before. I've had to like cut them off with scissors. I know that sounds really scary, but it doesn't look good. So just like leave like this much of your lash line with the lashes where you don't put any lashes over here. Trust. So I'm very, very happy, and I already just feel cuter even though I don't have makeup on. Like I just already feel better. And you know, I can just put on some concealer just to like cover the spots, blush, and a lip gloss. Like literally just blush and lip gloss. How cute would that be? Because my eyebrows are microbladed, which I keep getting a lot of questions about, and I feel like I've said it, like I feel like I keep saying it over and over again, but I probably have like new subscribers, so I'll continue to say it. My eyebrows are microbladed on. I've had them for, I think I'm going on 3 years now, and they still look pretty good, honestly. And it's like the best decision I ever made. I was scared shitless because it's like a tattoo on your face, you know, and if somebody messed up, I mean, it's there, you know what I mean? I did get like a soft black color because at the time I had black hair. It doesn't seem to be a negative effect though, because she did it so softly with a little bit of like brown mixed into it. So it's not like super harsh. Like you can tell that it's like a soft black, but when I put makeup on, like my foundation and the powders always lighten it up anyways, so I still have to draw on my brows. It just makes it easier. Like before, I would spend maybe like 30 minutes drawing my brows on, but with your eyebrows microbladed, number one, you always have brows even without makeup, which is great. Number two, it's basically like a stencil. So when you do glam makeup, it doesn't look good to not fill them in. You're gonna have to fill them in, but it's like a stencil and you don't have to measure like, are they in the right spot? Are they same shape? Because all you do is just fill in the lines, baby. And that's why 100% I recommend. I'm very blessed that I did get them for free from my favorite tattoo shop, or one of my favorite tattoo shops in San Antonio. She doesn't work there anymore, but she used to work there and do eyebrows there. And they were having like, what do you call it? Like a seminar or something. And I was going there a lot and I was like shouting them out on my YouTube channel and my Instagram and all that, and getting my friends to go there. And I like brought them a lot of business. So they were like, can you tell your friends about this? And if you come, like, we're gonna have this contest. You're gonna put your name in a hat. We're gonna pick one person to get free microbladed brows. And you get to enter the more friends you bring and the more times you shout us out on social media. And I won the free brows. You guys, I never win anything. So I was like, because this is like a what, $300 thing. And I was literally shooketh. Because like normally you pay like $600, I think, for eyebrows, but she was having a promo where she would do them for $300. And anyways, it's cost a lot of money. So I was very blessed to get them, because if you have been following me for a long time, you know damn well that my eyebrows are virtually non-existent, just like my lashes. I don't know why God didn't bless me with hair on my face. And I mean that on my brows and my lashes, that's it. Shein package just got here, yes. So I'm gonna be collaborating with Shein again. I mean, when are we not collaborating? I'm completely obsessed with Shein. I'm never gonna stop collab. Wow, I can't speak. I'm never going to stop collabing with Shein because I'm obsessed with them. So yeah, look forward to a video on that. I'll probably, ooh, it's gonna be busy. I don't know when I'm gonna get that done. I don't know when I'm gonna get that filmed, because it's kind of like Christmas and stuff. But anyways, look forward to a Shein haul. I'm gonna have that separate than the Vlogmas, so. Are you ever in the vlog? Oh, fuck. Good thing you don't watch the video. It's blue, that's kind of cool.
I don't watch them either.
Wait a second, that's kind of badass. Wait a second, that's kind of fucking cool though.
Question is.
Okay, I'm kind of impressed.